Hey guys, we received this MESMOS 3-pack fancy pen for women. So it's a ballpoint pens, and it have a really nice packing for the gift box. So let me just open up this. It have a really nice messages here as well. So let me just show it to you. So you can see it comes in a really nice box and very nice pens in here. And this is a slim design with a smooth experience and a durable clip. So it's very nice in the hand, and they have the messages on the top of it, as you can see it here. So my overall impression is a really nice coated colors with the imprinted message and very nice to operate, very smooth pens. So let me just try writing with it. So there are smooth lines and the writing very smoothly and with the black ink. So it's a really nice, and you can refill these as well. You can get those refills separately. So very nice pens.